Okay, welcome again to IzzoMath. In this video we're going to talk about creating circles on Google+. We're going to name our circles, we're going to add folks to circles using their Gmail accounts, we're going to share circles, we're going to post to circles, and finally we're going to post media to circles to include pictures and YouTube videos. Okay? So the first thing I want to do is to go to www.google.com. Let me sign out of my account, and that way, so we're starting from scratch here. So you go to google.com and you go up here to sign in, and my stuff is already loaded in there. So whatiszo@gmail.com and my password, and click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, go up here and click on your name in the top left corner. Again, I'm IzzoMath. This is my IzzoMath Google Plus page. And now what we want to do is, you see I have all of my circles here, and what I want to do is teach you how to create circles. So let's go to the circle button there, click on it, and down here where it says drop here to create a circle, let's just click on that. Once you hover over it, you see it says create circle. So let's create a circle, and I'm going to create example circle 1, and now I'm going to click on create empty circle. Okay, now I've created that empty circle. I want to go to home. Now at home, up here it's going to be all of my circles, and if you don't see the circle you're looking for, click on more and we'll see the example circle 1 that I just created. So here we have example circle 1. And if you want to add people to your circle, especially when you have a class, you get all your students to get Gmails and to send their Gmail to you. And you can add them by their Gmail. So I have another account. I'm going to add myself and another account to the circle. izzohuff@gmail.com. Okay, see that added me to the circle there. Okay, so now we've created a circle. We see how to add people. We just simply have to have the list of Gmails, and we can add those folks. And now if we want to post to the circle, this is my first post to the circle. And so the important thing is here, let me X out of that. And so when you see here it says add names, circles, or email addresses. So you click there, then you just start to type in the circle you want to add. So mine was example circle 1. There it was. Or you can add people individually, and since I only have one person in my circle, I'll say plus Izzo So when you put the plus before it, again, let me do that again. You got to put when you want to add a person individually, you put plus before their name. Plus Izzo Huff. Okay. I'll take that off there, but that is going to share this post with this circle that I've said here. Hit share. Now the important thing is, when you share it with that circle, that is when you see this limited here, those are the only people who can see that post. And that's what I really like about Google Plus, is it really allows us to stay a little more private than, say, a social networking site like Facebook, where it's not as, but you can do this kind of the same stuff, but Google Plus is intended for this purpose of using these circles. So we have a circle, we've added something. Let's say we want to add a picture. If you look here, let me just go back to all over here. So if we want to add a picture, here's that. I want to add a photo. So let's go to pictures and see if there's any photo. Now once you add photos, just pick a picture that you want to add. I'm going to add this one. It's from a catfishing trip that I went on. It's a Wounded Warrior Soldier who caught a 78-pound catfish. I'll say I just want to share that with my circle there. So I just start to type in my circle, example 1 circle. So that will be the only person that this picture is shared with. It's in that circle. Okay? Now, let's say you want to share a YouTube video. Let's say first of all, you can share it from here. You can click on that, and if you have a video You can click the enter a URL and share it there. Let me go find a video.
Welcome to Izzo
So let
Math.
me just click
I
on
know
one of
what
my
you're
videos.
thinking.
What is So here's a video for my pre-calculus class. If I want to share this circle, first of all, I could click on I could copy the URL and go in and paste it right here where I said share. So I clicked on YouTube video, enter a URL. I could enter the URL there, paste, and click add video. That will put the video there, and it's as simple as that, and you just put the circle that you want it in, or you can put the people individually by name. You just put a plus before their name. And you would click share, and there it is. But another really cool way is if you're here and you can click on either the plus button there and you can share this video to your circle, or you can click on share here and click on Google Plus, and you can share the video and tell the circles that you're in. So a couple really easy ways to share these videos and to share pictures. And you can also get a Google Plus app on your smartphone that will allow you to easily take a picture of your work and share it. My students like to do that. One last thing I want to show you about these circles is, let's say I want to share this circle with my students. So let me go down here. I'm in example circle 1, the circle that I just created, and I want to share this circle. If you look here, I want to share the circle, and I want to share the circle with plus Izzo Huff, the person that's put in it. We could have just also shared it with the circle. We'll do it both ways. Example 1 circle, and that would have gotten me in there too. That is, you could do it without even clicking on that. But so we get practice doing that. So let's do that too. Plus Izzo Huff. And another very important thing here is you want to click on this button here that says include yourself in the shared circle. So if you're doing this for class purposes, so include yourself in the shared circle and share. If we go here and click on all, we should see the first thing that pop up is where we shared the circle. Now what I'm going to do is sign out of this account and sign into another account to show you what it looks like when someone has shared a circle with you, and then how to add that circle to your circles. So let me sign out. Now I'm going to sign in as Izzo Huff. Okay, awesome. If we look here, we see that we have some notifications. That's where you will see anything new that's happening. If I click on that, it says Izzo Math shared a post with you. So I go and see there, and it tells me that Izzo Math has shared this circle. So you click on it. Now click on View Shared Circle. At this point is where you create the circle for yourself. So you can create or add the circles. So we're going to give it a name, and you don't have to give it the same name that I did. I could say this is practice circle. But ideally, you would want to tell your students that, you know, if this is my pre-calculus circle, I tell my students to name it pre-calculus, but it actually doesn't matter. It's just the people that are in it. Each individual person who's in the circle could have different names. So create the practice circle. Okay. So now, if I go to home and I go look at practice circle, you'll see there that it has where the circle Izzo Math shared the circle with me. It has here the video that Izzo Math posted and shared it to the circle. Has the picture that Izzo Math posted, and has the post that we posted from Izzo Math, and has some other things here that Izzo Math has shared publicly. Because if you look here, these are public. Again, that picture is public. Here's your creators of Izzo Math. So I hope that helped you out, and that should get you going on creating circles, sharing circles, and adding people to it. If you ever want to add another person to it, let's say I want to add Evan Evans to my circle. I'm in my practice circle, and I want to add, let's say, I want to add Evan Evans to my circle. So there it is. I've added Evan Evans. And then if you want to tell everybody that you've added Evan Evans to that circle, you would go into the original shared post and be like, add plus. So you got to put a plus there, Evan Evans, and then post comment. And then that's going to tell everyone that you added someone else to the circle and that they need to add that person to their circles as well. Alright? See you in the next video.